All right, so the first thing I did, because our ice cubes, they come out, let's see, like this one wasn't done, about an inch by half an inch, and that's actually too big. So you bring them into a bag or throw them into a bag and then just use a hammer with a towel around it so the pieces are much smaller. It's easier for the drain to grab it all. And we just let this trickle a bit once we turn it on, but I'm gonna get the ice in there first. Let's just start with push this down in here. And that's about all this is gonna accept right now. So I'm gonna get this thing to trickle. Hot water is better. And I'm gonna turn it on. Meanwhile, I'm adding more ice. Be careful. Here it comes. You see all of the remnants of the boy, the explosion is beginning. Wow, it comes in. All of that stuff is all starting to come up and cleaning it out. Isn't that crazy? I have to have this handy just in case an explosion like that actually does happen. But we just cleaned out this drain. And now comes a little bit of your Listerine that goes in, and you can let that sit for until the next time you use it, and brush it around with this. Usually it should be gone, but it's done.